Hello, I'm back. Okay, so this channel used to be called AnotherMagentoDev for obvious reasons. It was all about Magento. It was, well, at least at first it was. It was me sharing my screen, doing tutorials. If you're new, then don't worry, because the name really doesn't matter anymore. Neither does the job I was doing. Magento was or is still an e-commerce platform, massive, complex kind of thing that it would take 5 devs and 6 months to build a average e-commerce site out of. A lot of the channel was me just deep in the weeds of Magento development. And then I stopped, not just the videos, but the work itself. Not because I quit, not because I burnt out, well, maybe a bit, but because the job changed. And I don't think anyone's really talking about what it looks like now to be a developer. I still build things. I've got a whole platform that I built, CMS, e-commerce, the lot. I can get into that another time. But the actual day-to-day, I don't write code like I used to. I mean, do any of us? And I want to be honest about that on this channel, because I think a lot of the experienced devs are in the same place and nobody's saying it. I'm not really a developer anymore. I'm not a project manager, but I do a bit of both of those things. I'm definitely not a designer by trade, but I've made more design decisions over the last year than most designers I know. So the role I do now is blurred. The lines don't exist like they used to between roles in teams. And this is because of AI, essentially. Everybody's got a take on AI. Most of them are wrong. AI didn't replace developers. It replaced the job description. The things I used to spend 3 days on now takes about 15 minutes. But the things that actually matter, the decisions on the architecture, but most importantly, knowing what not to build, that stuff got harder, not easier. How your digital team should actually work, how AI should actually be used, not the hype, the reality. Why the roles are all blown up in the air, that's what I want to talk about on this channel. And yeah, the stack I built will become apparent along the way. I'll get into that. If any of this sounds like your world now and you recognise it, stick around. I'm not going to beg for you to subscribe. The content will be worth your time or it won't. But I'll tell you this. I've got opinions and I've been doing this long enough to know which ones are right.